Hey everybody, it's Justin here from SimpleEvents, and today in this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up your event for QR code check-in and how you can get your team to help you check in people. Because when you're running the event, some people might not have the email, so you still might need this dashboard up so you can search for somebody, you can look for their name or anything like that. But if most people come in and show you the QR code, I want to show you how you can check them in with your mobile phone and how simple that is. And you can have a team that's in a secure and simple fashion. So you can see I'm on this Lunch and Learn event that I got set up. I'm going to go to this new tab that you should see now in your portal called Details and Assets. And you go in there, you'll see all the event assets that we've created. And if you're in our Pro plan or our Enterprise plan, you would see all these created for you. Down here on the right-hand side, or if you're in a smaller screen below the event assets, you would see check-in via QR codes. Now, right now, I need to set up an event password. That event password is what you're going to share with the team. You don't need to share your SimpleEvents login. There's an email that's going to show up below this after we set an event password. So I'm just going to put in one very simple. I don't recommend this, but I'm just going to put in Justin just for this little walkthrough. Say save. And what you will see is, boom, the event password's been updated. And here's a copy of an email that you could send to your team via Slack, Microsoft Teams, or even email saying, hey, thanks so much for volunteering to check people in at an awesome Lunch and Learn. This is the details you need. So you would tell everybody to go to this URL. They pull it up, and I'm going to slide in right here on my mobile phone. I'm on that page right there, and they're going to type in their unique values. So this will be shared across the whole team. So the event ID, what goes in, and then the username and password. Now, as you can see here on the mobile phone, I'm doing exactly that. I'm typing in the event ID, which is 198. I'm typing in that awesome password, which is Justin. And then I'm allowing the camera access. You've got to allow the camera access for us to scan. And then what you will see here is an example of the email pulled up on the screen. If someone had a tablet or a phone, or even if they printed it out, scan that QR code with the mobile app. The attendees can turn the camera off temporarily if they're concerned about a battery issue, and then they can also sign out of that check-in process. At any moment, they can sign back in. It's there for you. You can easily check in your team, and what it will say at the very bottom is it will give you the attendee's name. Okay, so then the person checking in, hey, thanks for coming, Kevin. Have an awesome event. Then you can create a little bit more personalized experience as well. In the dashboard on the side here, you would also see that person checked in. So you could see a running total of how fast and smoothly everybody's being checked in. At this moment, if someone had an issue with the QR code, or maybe the printer or their mobile phone's not showing it, you can always come here and search for that content. So that's how you can set up your event to scan the QR codes that are now being pushed into all your contact records as they show up for registration and then as they show up for your event. With that, if you have any questions, hit the chat bubble, send us an email over at support@simpleevents.io. And I hope you have an awesome, stellar event.